Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 1st of July, 2023. We're going to talk about Binance today because it seems like everyone, all of the regulatory bodies is coming at the Binance, and it has been impacting the price. But we could possibly see the market and Binance begin to go higher. Welcome to the channel. This is what I do. I give you all price predictions according to the charts. I'm not here to confuse you. I'm not here to speak to you some eloquent knowledge of technical jargon, because it's simpler than that. All you have to do is pay attention to the price chart and what everyone else has already done with their bets. Some people are looking for the market of Binance to go lower. Some people are looking for the market of Binance to go higher. It's just that simple. And we just need to pick which side of the team is going to win. You guys can see that we picked the last team, which were the sellers, because we predicted that the market was going to go down. And that is exactly what Binance did. So congratulations to those who was able to grab 11.92% out that price prediction. That video was produced on June the 7th. Okay, so let's go ahead and get rid of it, because now I really want us to talk about what's been going on into the market in Binance right in this area here. Okay, when you see a market do this, it's consolidated and just trading from left to right. It's telling you that the market is buying and or is selling in order to continue to push the price down lower. This is a balanced area. When a market is trading from left to right, it is balanced. It is finding a balance between the buyers and the sellers. Not one side of the market is overpowering the other side. That's currently what we're getting into the market in Binance. Now, given that that's the case, I'm zooming out the chart and you all can see how price is no longer hitting our trend line. That's a negative thing because we're not trending higher. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to follow what price has been doing in Binance, and it looks to us that the market is just merely consolidating. Okay, this is what the market is determining it wants to do in Binance. Like, we can't do, or we can't change what we want the market to do. We just simply have to follow and let them lead the way, and we'll follow along with them so that we can profit with the market. So the market in Binance is just merely consolidating, and it's been doing this since May of 2022, a full year. Price in Binance hasn't done anything but trade in between $335 all the way down to $219, $220. That's it. So imagine if you just simply held this currency for a full year. Your profitability and or losses, it really hasn't done too much. So you had this money locked up in this position for a year and it hasn't garnered anything substantial. Now, we're getting buyers here, okay, which is another good indication that the buyers are still here. They came in the market in Binance all the way back in December of last year, and again in June, July timeframe of last year, and they're still confirming that they're still in the market today. So that's a good thing to note. Okay. So now coming back in, I like what's going on in Binance on the 2-day chart. We're getting this indicator right there, a push to go up bar being created, letting us know that off of this stoppage right here, the market was crashing in Binance, and then the buyer stepped in on this 2-day price bar, right? And now we're still getting confirmation that buyers are still here on this 2-day price bar. So all in all, that looks decent. That looks pretty good. I like the 3-day chart as well. Here it is on the 5. Let's look at this on the weekly. I like the weekly chart. We got a day and 8 hours left, but this looks pretty good as well, to let us know that the sellers aren't as active, or buyers are definitely, there's more weight on the buyer side than there are people trying to sell Binance in the market. Okay. So here's Binance on the monthly chart. This is how you can tell you may not have enough time to actually see the price go higher in Binance. It's because last month we got this indicator of weakness, a push to go down bar, which kind of lets us know that, yeah, we're not all that strong. You don't want to see indicators of weakness on monthly time frames. What about on the 3 months chart? Okay, look at Binance on the 3 months. Again, this is an indicator. This is weakness right here on a 3 months perspective. I do see strength on a daily time frame, but on the monthly, I don't see that much strength. If anything, Binance is prepared to continue to go lower, unless the month of July is going to be a fantastic month where the bulls re-enter in the market in Binance and push that price back up to $330 something. Okay. Let's look at this on the 6 months. Here's Binance on the 6 months chart, because we're starting out on a new 6 months. And you guys can see the selling that came in on the prior 6 months and then the last one. So I would say from a monthly perspective, yeah, Binance is not that strong. It's not. But on a daily time frame, we could see the market in Binance go higher. But I don't think that's going to last too much longer. I don't. So I'm done. We're going to go ahead and play some strength into the market in Binance. I'm not going to be overly bullish yet. But yes, this is where buyers are currently entering the market. I can definitely see one of our targets going to have to be right here at the high on June 22nd, 2023. That's going to have to be one of our targets. So let me put this on the chart real quick, which is around like $257. That's only 4% move to the upside in Binance there. Our second target in Binance is going to be here around 265, which is 7.25. And I may just leave it on those two targets right now. Okay. And our support area is still going to be maintained at 220. There's going to be a greater chance for price in Binance to go higher as long as price holds 220. And let's just bring it up to 270 as a third target. And that's it. I am done. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.